So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be taking you guys on a ride along with me on a dumpster delivery. We are going to be taking this dumpster to a client in Ottawa, Kansas, and I'm going to show you the entire process of renting a dumpster. So there's several reasons why people rent these dumpsters, one of it being spring cleaning. Whenever it gets to spring, it's not spring yet, but guys, hang around with me. I'll show you behind the scenes of a dumpster delivery process from beginning to end. So let's get started, guys.
This is the moment we waited for. Everything you want is right here. We gon' give them what they came for. We gon' take it up from last year. Shoot 'em my shot, boy, I'm long range. Me and the team on the same thing. Stayed down, never switched up. Only thing changed was the game. I'm in the zone now. Nothing can change what we on now. When I pull up, know it's going down. Foot on the gas, ain't no slowing down. Aiming for greatness, no settling. Kick down the doors, they won't let me in. Taking no else, yeah, I gotta win. Watch me kick down the doors, they won't let me in. Who running the game now? Foot on the gas, can slow down. No, my team, we holding it down. We know we running it now. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Yeah. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. I do not gamble, but bet on me. Tell them that's life, yeah, it's la vie. I'm taking a shot for my enemies. I can't waste no more time on my energy. I know they know I got it on lock. Go against me, that's a long shot. Cause I'm counting wins all around the clock. Never doubt me, boy, I don't stop.
This dumpster is actually going to Wellsville, Kansas. It's gonna be a dental office which rented the dumpster. Maybe I should start getting my appointments from there.
I work for that bag, go get it one day, you can brag. Say that I have it, you know that I got it, no need to look all in the bag. Stunting like this cause I work so hard, I'm the best, I only speak facts. In the store, I'm popping them tags, a limited seller was that. Clout chasing for the cash grab, I don't really want it that bad. If I say that I have it, you know that I got it, no need to look all in the bag. Stunting like this cause I work so hard, I'm the best, I only speak facts. In the store, I'm popping them tags, a limited seller was that. Clout chasing for the cash grab, I don't really want it that bad. I'm trying to cop a milli while I keep my soul intact. Been through a lot, I learned to adapt. Never let struggles make me snap. Around the world, about to be on maps. Got a huge face.
Next time, guys, I'll be taking you guys with to the pickup of that dumpster, and then I'm gonna show you guys where we actually take the trash here in Kansas City and how we dispose the trash. Until next time, guys, adios.